Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable show caller information on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen open up the phone app. Next, tap on the option key, then tap on settings. In settings, you want to go down and tap on other calls settings. In here, tap on show caller information. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. If you turn this on, then it will show when you last talked, important dates, and more. So let's give myself a call and you will see what the show information will show you. You can see here, I'm just going to silence the call. It shows my most recent call is at 7:57 p.m. And if I have another appointment or any schedule with this contact, it will also show the information here. So depending on how much interaction I have with this contact, the more interaction, the more things that I have scheduled with this contact, the more information will be displayed here. And that's it. So if I go back in here and switch it off, so I go down to other call settings and I switch off show caller information, and you can see that this time when I make the call, it will not show additional information on the incoming call screen. And you see that information right here? Now it's gone. And that's it. So that is how you can turn it on or off. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.